The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Escambia Bay, or 12 nautical miles northeast of Pensacola Pass, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged, and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pensacola Bay, Navarre Beach, West Santa Rosa Sound, Fort Pickens, Escambia Bay Bridge, Blackwater Bay Bridge, East Bay, Escambia Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge, and Garcon Point Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound. The National Weather